How to send a WhatsApp message without saving someone's phone number. This is a quick and convenient method if the other person is nearby and can share their WhatsApp QR code. To get started, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Next, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. At the top of the Settings page, tap the QR code icon next to your profile. Then switch to the Scan Code tab. Now, ask the other person to open their WhatsApp QR code on their phone. Point your camera at their QR code and scan it. Once the code is recognized, WhatsApp will open a chat with that person automatically. You can start sending messages right away without manually saving their phone number. Keep in mind that this method works only if you can scan the other person's WhatsApp QR code. If they're not nearby, you'll need to use another method, such as a direct WhatsApp link. And that's it. That's how you can send a WhatsApp message without saving a number using the latest QR code feature. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy WhatsApp tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.